Here is today's tip or trick. Today we're going to talk about how to create a sea level rise map from the State of Hawaii Sea Level Rise Viewer. This is on the Pacific Islands Ocean Observing System website. I have it saved in my bookmarks so I can get here quickly, but I will put the link in the description for this video. We're going to scroll down here. I just picked an address I have in my mind. It's for Banyan Harbor in Lihue, located at 3411 Wilcox Road, Lihue. You're going to type in the address in this text box and hit enter. Then you're going to click zoom here. And you have the option of kind of wiggling it around or zooming in a little more if you'd like. I'm then going to go over to this sea level rise exposure area and click on 3.2 feet because that's what the statute requires. And I'm going to right click, which you can see here, and click on print. Now I have my default printer set up to print to PDF. But if you have another printer or you would like to actually print a paper copy, you can do it however you would like. For properties that are in the, while it's loading, I'm going to keep talking. For properties that are in the sea level rise exposure area, they're going to be blue around the outer edges. And if the property is in the blue area, I print the entire 18 pages or whatever it is with, information about the sea level rise exposure area. For this property, because it's not in the blue zone, I'm going to click on pages and custom and just click the one so that it's only printing the first page. I'm going to make sure it's portrait and color, and then I'm going to print to PDF and save to my computer. I already have a sea level rise map saved for this because I did a test run, so we're just going to click on the name there. I like to name my documents what they are and then reference the property. You're going to click save. I'm going to click replace, which you won't need to do. And then you're done. Now you have a sea level rise map that you can add to your listing packet or your buyer's packet for review and initials.